What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lil, and I'm back once again with another video. So today I'm doing a little vlog slash clean with me for you guys, which I'm very excited to do this video because, honey, my room needs cleaning, and that's enough said. So today is Wednesday, July 28th, and it's currently 7:51 p.m. I've been home for probably like an hour or two now, and I've been just chilling, trying to get my room together and stuff for back to school because school is in 2 weeks. And it's crazy to know school's in 2 weeks, okay? So yes, you guys, all that good stuff. Not really fun. No, it's not really fun at all. No. But I'm just trying to get my room together and basically my desk area together. Even though I'm not doing online school, I am going to actual school this year, which I'm very excited about because I miss going to school, low key. Not gonna lie. Not to work, but just seeing my friends. That's all it means. Okay. So I'm trying to get this area together just because when I still come home, I still do my homework at my desk, obviously, and I want it to look really cute. And it's not like I just do homework here. So I'm back. I got rudely interrupted, but basically I'm just getting this back together because I want it to look cute, even though it's still in my room, and I do like my room to look decorated and really gorgeous and stuff. So that's personally why I'm doing this as well. So what I did so far is I got a new whiteboard today, and it's really cute, and it's pink, and it goes in my room. As you can tell, my room is pink, rose gold, regular gold, yellow, some silver, and white. That's all the colors in my room. Really basic with one light, like bright color, and that's pink. But yeah, so I just got this one. I really wanted this whiteboard because I wanted one with like the little other, like the brown side, so I can like put push pins in there and like put little sticky notes or like different like pictures and stuff on there, like things that I need to know that are important and stuff. I already had this globe here for like a few months now, and then I got this cup from Walmart for $1 or $2. And I had these already from last school year, and I just spray painted them yesterday, rose gold. And then I went in the store and found these, and I didn't actually come in there looking for these, but I saw them and I had to get them. And yeah, so this one here I'm gonna keep like extra paper and like work that I saved, so I won't keep it all in my folder and just mess my folder up this year. Then I got this beautiful thing right here. It's so cute. I just added in here like some expo markers, some highlighters, and all that good stuff, and then some extra index cards and post-it notes and all that good stuff. And it just looks super cute there. Then it has some more stuff down there. So yeah, I did that so far. My laptop is not charged though. I'm trying to charge my phone on my laptop, which is so bad, okay? So yeah, y'all, then I got this cute little lamp right here from Burlington as well, and it's so gorgeous because I've been needing a new lamp, and it's so much bigger than a lamp I had, and I'm so glad I got a new lamp because, honey, I've been looking for a new lamp for so long now, and I finally got one, which is amazing. So yeah, I got that, and I'm excited, and I did put in my new school supplies, which I'm so excited about. I put all of the pencils in here so far, but I am gonna buy some more pencils eventually, like later on down the line. But when it's like close to the time I need to pack my backpack, I will just add them into the pencil pouch I have and stuff, like the few items, and just go like that. Like, I'm still gonna use these at home a lot, so it's like, what's the point taking all my stuff to school, because I'm not gonna do that, obviously. So yeah, earlier today I did go and get my license, which I'm so excited about because, honey, no more permit. I got a license. I'm a fully legally driver, period. Okay, honey? So yeah, I got that and everything like that. So I did this morning, and then before I did that after I got out my AP Bootcamp. Now, yes, you guys are probably like, what in the world is the AP Bootcamp? I'm gonna tell you guys really quickly, but okay, y'all, so that's that. I didn't show y'all this. My mom surprised me with some Bath and Body Works the other day, so I want you guys to look real quick at what she got me, which is so sweet, and I thought it was so precious because I love me some Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna tell you really quickly what she got me. First off, they had some candles on sale at Bath and Body Works the past week, so she got me some. She got me this one right here, which is just the peach Millennium one. Y'all, if you've never tried this one out, you need to try it out. It smells so good, and it's delicious. I literally am burning that candle not right at this moment, but I've been burning it lately. And then I also have this, she got me this one, which is my other favorite, champagne toast. Now you gotta know, champagne toast is like probably one of the best scents at Bath and Body Works, especially in candles and like body care. Amazing, y'all. Then she bought me this new scent. It's called Honey Wildflower, and it's just a moisturizing body wash. I'm excited to try this out. It's waiting close to like the first day of school to wear it because I just want to wear it then. And then she also got me the matching honey body scrub. I never tried Bath and Body Works body scrubs, but I heard they're good, so I'm excited about that. And then she also got me the matching lotion. So I thought that was so sweet of her to do that. And I love candles, and I've been wanting to get some more candles lately. And she just surprised me with some candles. I thought that was so precious of her. Damn, so much. So should I'm glad. And what am I gonna do? Clean my room up. That's what I need to do first off. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna tell you guys real quickly what an AP Bootcamp is, because people are probably gonna be wondering and asking me in the comments what is an AP Bootcamp, because not probably every school does that, but my school did it. So basically, on Monday I had to go to the AP Bootcamp, and that went from Monday to today, which is Wednesday. And basically they just tell you like a good amount of information, like so you will be prepared for AP when you start the classes and when school start. So basically on Monday we had to go to virtual sessions, and we learned about different ways to be organized and to manage time when having AP classes and being in a sport or having other personal things to do. And then Tuesday we had to learn about critical thinking, like different ways to learn the methods of AP courses, and then also work habits, like different work habits, like how like different spaces to work at and everything like that, and making time to actually study and do your work. And then today, which was Wednesday, we basically just talked about like different resources that can help us with our AP classes so we don't fail, something like that. And also a resiliency, so you won't be stressed, like giving you motivation and stuff. And they're gonna take us on a field trip tomorrow, which I'm very excited about that. We're going to the zoo, which I don't really like the zoo, but it's a free trip, so I'm gonna go. But yeah, that's really what it was. I don't know how most schools do it in different states, but that's how my school do it out here in Illinois. So yeah, and it was only for 3 days and only 2 hours, and that was not that bad. So I think it was actually very helpful. I did take a lot of notes down of like things to help me, because this year I cannot play. Like I need to be on my game. And I literally got a comment, somebody was like saying that hopefully these AP classes don't kick our butt. I feel like they are, but I feel like if you just make you a schedule and put your mind to it, you will pass. Like I really think so. So hopefully it goes well. I'm praying that it does. But yeah. So that's why I want to let y'all know what that was if people ask in the comments. So there you go. There you go. Okay. So I'm also gonna be cleaning in this video because honey, this room, ooh, looks catastrophic. So I'm gonna go ahead and change to like some comfier clothes in a second and go ahead and do some cleaning up. But I need to feed Lacey first, so I'm probably gonna feed her first because 8 o'clock I'm gonna go feed her because she has snacks and stuff. So y'all, I'm so dreading cleaning this room up, but I feel like when I got home I made it way more of a mess because it wasn't this bad. Like I just had this stuff right here on the floor, but now it's like this. Oh, all of it is like school stuff that I was just taking out, trying to like organize and stuff. Yeah, I can't believe it's August 28th and the 1st is Sunday, and I really decorated my like desk over and made it look super cute and stuff for me personally, because I'm gonna be working out a lot. Like I still do my business up there. If y'all don't know, I do have a business. I sell keychains, some lip gloss, all type of stuff like that. And now YouTube is another part of my business and stuff, so I have a lot of stuff going on. So I'm personally just trying to get all that together and situated and stuff. I did take my Cricut off of my desk because it was crowding it up, like taking up most of the space. So whenever I'm gonna use it, I'm just gonna take it out the box and go back and forth like that. I know that's not really a good idea to do, but I really want space in my desk so I can be able to do my work and homework and stuff. So I was coming up with an idea like to go to like the store and buy a folding table so I can just like whenever I do business work, like making products and stuff, I can just unfold the table, keep it in my closet, and unfold it and just put it up instead of everything, and just do that whenever I need to make products and so I think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I turned off my ring light just because it's a flying here and it keeps attracting to this light specifically. So I just have my normal light on and my lamp on now. But so far the time my desk looking, it looks so clean, so cute, so bougie, so fat, period. So I'm about to show everything else. So let me go ahead and do that. So basically, let me. Okay, y'all, so right here is my little notebook / paper holder and like paper, like all type of work holder, my globe, my good old little calendar which I can change the date and everything like that, my shipping label printer which I'm gonna keep here because it's super tiny and it don't take up no space, books that I have to read, especially this one is for my school, some pens and everything, some pencils in this cup holder. This some cute like extra stickers and mail that I get for myself. Here's my planner and some stuff I'm using for taking notes and stuff with. Post-it notes. I'm gonna put the rest of the paper clips in when I go downstairs and grab them. Some push pins and some binder clips, and then this cute little card which just gives it right perfectly right there. And then this cute little what do you call this? Organizer. I don't know. My stapler, my sharpener, my whiteout, my stamp thing, my ink for my stamp. Then in this drawer I have extra packs of index cards and so. Then in this one, I can barely open it. Got these ones are for extra from last school year. I just went through them and stuff, and then extra post notes I just bought this year. And then up here I have just some extra old dry erase markers, and then I just bought these ones recently, and I got some old highlighters and some new ones up here. So that's that. Up here in my Alexa as well, my lamp, and then my little new whiteboard that I need to put the calendar and stuff on there now. And then this right here is my other one. I'm gonna just keep it like underneath there, so like whenever I need to study, I'm gonna just have it there for me. So that's what I do. This extra stuff, that supplies I will put in my book bag when school starts. So that's how it looks. I just finally finished the calendar. This day of blue. So I was thinking that sometimes I'm doing like a schedule, and then I just put different colors to color coordinate, and I just put this course collection for school. So this is how my desk looks so much better. I'm in love with it. It's definitely me. Obviously the remote is not going to be there all the time, but yeah, so that's that. Now I need to just put all these bags and stuff back in the closet. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to clean this up. I'm not going to make the bed because I want to get in there after this video, so yeah, period.